David from Tomball has a question about backyard drainage.
Well, it's his elderly mother's house, and they've had a drainage problem there for years. And so he's finally had enough. David writes, she has a sunken living room, literally, and her backyard is now slightly higher than her living room, mostly because of through the years it's just worked out that way. And it's causing the water to drain in that direction, right? She has installed drains and larger gutters, but once or twice a year when we get some heavy rain, he writes, the water will leak in. And I believe the water is entering under her siding and maybe through some of her weep holes in the brick. At least that's what David suspects. So Tom, David's looking for suggestions on what he can do here.
It's only one answer, David. You have to regrade the entire property to where that problem that finally became existent now when it wasn't 20 or 30 years ago is fixed.
So hold on. So you don't think it's coming in under the siding and all that?
That's true. I'm sure it's coming in everywhere. But what people want to know is how can I block it? Do I caulk it? Do I put metal up? Should I just sandbag it? No.
You get those inflatable water things around the house, the big donut around the house.
Yeah, it's what the problem is because he started the question with it.
Well, okay? it's like what was it? I think Einstein said a question well asked is half answered.
Yeah.
So
I would get someone, Thomas from Family Landscape or somebody out there that's a drainage and landscaping expert, and you're going to have to regrade the property so you fix the problem. You can't just mask it. And so you either live with what you have, but there's a whole bunch of issues when you have water sitting up against the house or coming back towards the house. It's just the bottom line. That's a simple answer, but it's not a happy answer for you.
And then there's the sunken living room itself. But that's a bigger problem.
Think about it through all the beginning years, it was fine. Right. But it's over the years as the grass and the mulch and the landscaping, it all starts to rise around the house. It's just natural. Right. And so sometimes you just have to take
and I think I've heard Danny, our Garden Pro host, talk about the concept of compaction, where the rain hitting the soil, what's happening is not only are you building it up, but what's under it is getting harder, and so it's more and more difficult.
That's true.
It's
not taking the water
It's
anymore.
not absorbing it anymore. Yeah. That's what I've heard him talk about, and that could be contributing to this problem.
Yeah, but it's time for a re-landscaping thought. Now, it will take drains, and it'll take new flower beds and bull rock, and you're talking about the whole
beautiful.
thing.
It'll be beautiful when you're done.
It will, but it's going to be expensive. But you know what the problem is, and you cannot seal the house.
Yeah, you're going to have less.
And don't keep trying and trying. You're just going to make a mess for yourself.
You'll have less water in the living room and less money in the bank. So solve two problems.
And sunken living rooms, but they don't do that anymore, was a stupid fad.
Right, but I doubt that you want to wrestle with that one just yet.
Well, no, but you can't redo history. It's done.
Right. But you can change your future.
Unless you're Superman.
By fixing your drainage. And you can change your future with your home improvement problem. Just send us your question to HomeShowRadio.com. That's our website. Visit it. Click on the Ask Tom button to fill out that form. We'll post your answer just like these videos. Subscribe to our channel. Click the bell. Ding. And we'll ring yours when we post a new one.